So hi dear teacher, today we are going to present to you the Agenda 2030 that is Construir un Futuro Mejor. So let's continue with Latin America and the Caribbean before the outbreak, the COVID-19. The slow recovery after the 2030 crisis, inequality as a barrier to recovery and global stability, the climate and environmental emergency, the crisis of multi-alternative needs, and the needs and final comments. So let's continue with the introduction for this part that says the crisis caused by the COVID-19 pathology pandemic disease hit the economic world. Once it already showed structural drawbacks that compromise its capacity. And this situation is synthesized in three structural crises that had worsened in the last 5 years.
The slow recovery after the 2008 crisis, the economic recovery after 2008 was weak, in which in the recovery period after 2008, trade grew at very low rates and it's linked with the PBE growth. As you can see in the image, inequality as a barrier to recovery and overall stability, the rapid growth in some countries of poor resulted in a drop in global poverty that represents 36% of the world population.
The climate and environmental emergency, the current development has reached a point that has put at risk the survival of the ecological system. The 6 warmest years on record have taken place since 2015, and the years 2016 and 2000 have been the warmest.
The crisis of multilateralism and the need for unfunded voice of developing economies. The transformation of China productivity were associated with a reconfiguration of the international division of the labor. This graph refers to the rights investment in the research and development compared. Between January 2018 and October 2019, economy rise to about 21%, the average of traffic that each of these countries impose. Concluding remarks, the 2018 crisis caused by factors that change not only theory of efficient markers, but also hyper-globalization as the dominant project of integrations of the international economy since the 1980s. Finally, we have the bibliography, and that's all about our presentation. That's all. Thank you.